So you know how people always take pictures and videos of themselves having fun, and you know, they post things on Facebook to brag about, you know, sunsets, dolphin cruises, catching the big marlin, all those sorts of things. Let me show you my reality.
I'm trying.
Emma!
Yeah.
Welcome to Florida.
What you doing?
We're fixing to get our food.
There's Abigail. Where's Shelby? There's Andrew. There's Shelby. So you think it'll rain?
No, I think it looks pretty good outside.
There's Mama. Oh! Tether!
Andrew, put it back up.
Tether!
It told me to untie it.
No, we're untying them.
So the only thing we got going for us here is that it's not lightning whatsoever. It's not thunder. That's what I'm waiting for, is the lightning to start hitting the water, like right out there. But here's a little glimmer of hope. There's the sun right over there.
Only in Florida can it rain while sunny.
Yeah, glimmer.
So we have two tubes covering us behind my head, in case you haven't noticed, and then one over Andrew. And there's Scott's boat right over there. And this is Scott. Scott's dog Amy. She's not happy.
Whoa, boys and girls. You're screwing up my shelter here.
So we'll be back with you when we have brighter skies.